This is the starting key. This is the reverse forward key. Downwards it's forward, middle is stop, and upward is reverse. This switch is for agitator. This one is for emergency release switch. You need to release the switch every time you start the machine. Before ignition you need to release the switch. Without releasing the switch, the operation of the pump will not start. This light indicates the temporary electrical problem. If comes in the operation, you need to on the toggle and bypass the problem. The whole screen shows the parameters of the pump. The first is the temperature. This is the RPM. If the RPM shows 0, none of the function in the pump will work. And this is the output of the pump that throws out. This is the total pumping hours, the total strokes that machine has done. If there is any problem, the symbols will turn into red. This symbol is of hydraulic cooler fan. If there will be any problem, the symbol will turn into red. To check the parameter on the operation, press this button. This will show the operating parameters of the pump. This is the engine parameters, hours and minutes. This will show the battery voltage. If you want to bypass any of the parameters, press the setting button. After pressing button, you will see the status of the pump function. You go to the bypass mode if you want to bypass any function. You can on and off by pressing the arrow button. For example, if you want to bypass the engine RPM, you go to engine RPM and deselect the parameter. That's it. If you want to start the grease pump, go to grease pump status manually. Now the grease pump is off. You just need to press the button below the green icon. Then the pump will automatically start. And rest other is inside the pump setting that we doesn't need to go in deep. They all are internal settings. You need to temper any of the other setting on the pump. You need to enter the password 123 and go inside the setting. It is just for your information, but you don't need to do anything on the setting. Just leave it as it is. You need to go on the setting modes only if you see any red icon on the screen. Starting the stroke, please fill the water tank with the water, and please don't allow anybody to put hand or inside and anything inside it when the operation is running. Do not let anyone go inside the hopper to check for any tool stackers or any material that is inside the hopper before starting, and you see the hopper is clear to work. Now let's start the machine. You can see after starting the machine, the person is releasing the emergency switch so that it enables all the function. Now is increasing the RPM of the engine to make it 2800 RPM to make all the function running. You can see the rock wall assembly moving left and right. You can see the agitator moving on both the direction. You can do this using toggle switch as per the requirement at site. You can see the current operation, pumping operation of the pump, piston direction and everything using operational parameters. You can stop it. Now before stopping the engine, reduce the RPM to its normal, and then just pressing the spring button, it will automatically shut off the engine. This is the pumping hours. To service hydraulics every 500 hours and replace the filter every 500 hours. You need to see these hours used for servicing the hydraulics.